Right, well anyway, we're starting another unboxing and I'm still using my iPhone 8 actually to do this because this was quick and easy than setting up my big camera. But anyway, we have the Astro HDMI adapter for the PS5 because the PS5 no longer has a optical port. If you want to use the Astro headset like what I've got over here, which if I show you this one, all this, and the optical port should be here because there's the USB. Well, the back of the PS5 doesn't have an optical port anyway, so I had to buy this thing, which is the adapter you need. And I do apologise, you've got to see my hand in the shot, but anyway, that's it. A little tiny box, and then you've got a HDMI cable in the box, and that is a USB cable. That's the USB cable that comes with it to power it. You have an HDMI cable. That's probably to go from the capture card you've got if you're using a capture card. And then you've just got, there's a little bit of documentation about safety. That's the safety documentation. And then last and final item at the bottom here is just an Astro card. Doesn't really have anything on it. It just shows you just the Astro symbol. Oh, hang on. No, there's more into it. Here we go. Right, if I turn this around the right way, you guys should be able to see it. See, there's the PS5. Then it's supposed to connect from the PS5 into the HDMI in, and from that, the HDMI out is supposed to go to wherever it is, like I think that's supposed to be like the monitor or whatever it's supposed to be, or potentially be like, say, your capture card, etc. There's the one that the SPDIF, which is basically the optical cable that runs from there to the headset adapter, which is what I've shown you over there, which will be this guy. But they show the latest of the headsets because the one I've got is going on at least 7+ years old now. But the new TX is different, and then you've obviously got the monitor you connect it to. So basically it goes from PS5 into this, from this into the capture card, and then the capture card obviously goes to the monitor you're using, and then that completes the HDMI circuit, and then the USB from this, which powers it, can be put either in the PS5 and be powered from there, or from perhaps a computer, or maybe a plug that's under your desk. But other than that, that's basically that. That's all that's in that box, with just the instructions, the safety notice. You've got this little bit of cardboard, and then this guy. I do apologise that my hands are kind of in the way, but the stand I've got this on is a bit short. And instead of having to get a big camera just for a small box like this, I thought it was easy to do that. Anyway, let's take this out of its packaging so we can see it properly. Right, okay, let's flip it over. You've got the HDMI in, which will be the PS5 into this, which is where you get the input from the console. Then you flip it over. There's the USB port, which is what this little cable is here to power it. That is the optical port, as you can see. It looks just like any old optical. And then there's the out that'll go to the capture card. So basically you can either use this short one or one of the ones you might already have for your own device. But anyway, right, let's hook this guy up then, shall we? Let me just go and get the optical cable. Unfortunately, that optical cable that came with the Astros I've got is massive, so I had to like shrink it down. Anyway, there's the end that will go into it. You see the square end, and this end goes into the actual end of the controller, but you'll see it going in a minute. But basically that's where it goes in this one. Obviously you've got to get it plugged in, but anyway. Right, so let's get it set up, shall we? Right, so the HDMI from my PS5, which is back here, is already on its way down underneath my desk. So if I show you down here, yes, I know there is a bit of a box here. That's got some stuff in. But anyway, right, let's get that tripod out of the way. There is the long cable that, as you can see, it goes into a switcher. There's the one for the PS4, then you've got the Xbox there, and I've got this special switcher for it. That I push that button and it swaps the outputs into this one, which then goes up here to where the capture card is, which you won't, there you go, you can just see it if I turn my camera there. It's right in the back corner there. Well, basically, in order to get this to work, the easiest way to do it would be if I can set this up in a justifiable way. You guys might actually be able to see it. Oh, this ain't gonna work. Let me attach it and then I will carry on. Right, we're getting back to what I was saying. Anyway, I've hooked it up now. Now, as you can see, we've got the switcher here before. Now it runs from there because I want to be able to use this with both of my headsets. Through here, and into here, and up here. And there is the in, out. There's the optical cable and the power cable. Now, the way I'm powering this is I'm using this adapter down here for USB plugs. But then it goes up here into the capture card, and then from the capture card, minus my feet, into the back here. As you can see, there's the optical cable here. And that is the USB, there's the optical cable, and now it'll work on the PS5. And it should hopefully work on the Xbox. If not, then it just means I might have to get another optical cable just to swap out between the two. But anyway, that should do it anyway. That is the HDMI adapter for the PS5, and also the, well, I need that to be able to do that so I can play my Xbox and record from the capture card as well. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and installation guide. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time.